Good morning. Ah, sa umaga ito, ang i-discuss natin naman sa inyo ay ang road sign, road and traffic sign. Ah, i- I-demonstrate ko sa inyo kung ano-ano ang mga road and traffic sign. Tara, fasten your seatbelt. Stop o hinto. This sign is used on roadways where the traffic is required to stop before entering a major roads. Sunod, give way. Give way. Ito yung magbigay daan sa ibang sasakyan. This sign is used to assign the right of way to traffic on the certain roadways. Next is prohibited sign. Ito yung mga sign na mga pinagbabawal na dapat hindi ka pumasok or hindi mo gagawin sa pagmamaneho. One way, ito yung daan na isa lang yung pwedeng pumasok or isang way lang ang pwedeng pumasok. One way sign of specifies that the traffic moves in the single direction and you may not go this way. Next is no entry. No entry ay ibig sabihin bawal kang pumasok. So this sign is located at the place where the vehicle are not allowed to enter. Next is no way, both direction. So magkabilaang side hindi ka pwedeng pumasok. This sign is used at the end of the road where entry to all types of vehicle traffic is prohibited. Next is horn prohibited. Ito yung traffic sign na sa mga madalas makita mo doon sa malapit sa mga eskwelahan. Sounding of horn is not allowed near hospital and the silent zone. Next is no right turn. Ito yung signal nga bawal kang kumanan. The vehicle are not allowed to make a turn to the right. Next is no left turn. No left turn, ibig sabihin bawal kang kumaliwa. Vehicle are not allowed to make a turn to the left. No U-turn. Ibig sabihin nito, bawal kang mag-U-turn sa daan. This sign is used at the place where vehicle are forbidden to make a U-turn to the reverse direction of the travel. Overtaking prohibited. Ito yung road sign na bawal ka mag-overtake. Sight distance is restricted and overtaking will be dangerous. Next is pedestrian prohibited. Ito yung traffic sign na bawal tumawid yung mga tao. Pedestrian are not allowed there. Trucks prohibited. Bawal yung mga trucks. Movement of the trucks is not allowed. Susunod ay all motor vehicles prohibited. This sign is used at places where entry to all types of motor vehicle is prohibited. Next is no parking. Ito yung madalas na laging pinag-aawayan kasi may malaking nakalagay na no parking, marami pa rin nakapark. Parking is not allowed but vehicle can stop for short duration to allow passengers to get into or get out of the vehicle. No stopping. walang huminto na sasakyan, bawal. Vehicle cannot stop even temporarily. Ang susunod naman ay ang compulsory sign. Sign with the blue boards are compulsory sign. Ito, compulsory turn left. This sign indicate that vehicles are permitted to proceed to left turn only. Compulsory turn right. So, ito yung opposite sa left. So, this sign is indicate that the vehicle are permitted to proceed right only. So, kanan lang talaga. Ang susunod ay compulsory ahead. So, ito yung traffic sign na kailangan mong dumiretso lang. These signs indicate that a vehicle is only permitted to proceed ahead. Next is compulsory keep left. This sign is indicate that the vehicles are obliged to keep left only. Next is compulsory ahead or turn right. This sign means that the vehicle can either go straight or turn right. Compulsory ahead or turn left. This sign means that the vehicle can either go straight or turn left. Pwede kang dumiretso or pakaliwa. Sound compulsory. Sound horn compulsory. This sign indicate that must blow the horn. Buses only. Meaning bus lang ang pwedeng pumasok sa area or sa daan na yan. Ang susunod ay cautionary signs. Ito yung mga sign na sign with a triangle are cautionary signs. Right or left hand curve. Ito yung makikita mo na may pakurbang arrow. This sign is used where the direction of the line changes. The sign forewarns the driver to reduce the speed and proceed cautiously along the road. Next is, may makikita ka ng ganito, narrow road. So, ibig sabihin, galing sa malaki, papunta sa maliit na daan. This sign is normally found in the rural areas where the sudden reduction of the width of the pavement causes of the danger to traffic. Next is road widen. Ito naman ay galing sa maliit punta sa malaki na daan. This sign is normally found on the rural areas where a sudden widening of the road causes a danger to traffic. Kailangan maghinay-hinay lang. Next is narrow bridge. Narrow bridge, this is a sign is erected on the roads in advance of the bridges where the clear width between the curbs or wheel guards is less than normal width of the carriageway. Right or left reverse bend. This sign is used where the nature of the reverse bend is not obvious to approaching traffic and constitutes a hazard. Crossroad. This sign is displayed in advance of the crossroad where sufficiently large volume of crossing or entering traffic with restricted sight distance is likely to constitute a hazard. Roundabout. Ito yung sign na ito yung sign na paikot. This sign is used where is the necessary to indicate the approach to a roundabout. Sa atin dito ay ang rotunda tinatawag. Ito, speed limit. Speed limit, madalas mo itong makita sa mga highways. This sign is erected at the beginning of the area covered by speed restriction with numerals. So, yun ang mga road and traffic sign na dinidiscuss ko sa inyo. I hope na maintindihan nyo at nauwaan nyo ng maigi para magamit nyo sa inyong mga future na pagmamaniya.